everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if your Instagram followers are not showing today, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram followers not showing problem. So first you open Instagram and check whether your internet connection is working properly. Sometimes a weak network can prevent follower count from loading. Now open the settings app, scroll down and click on apps option. Now tap on see all the apps. After this, search for Instagram. Tap on it. Now, tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Now, go back to the home page and open the Play Store app and update the Instagram app if not. After this, go back to the home page. Now, if the issue is still there, open the app, log out of your Instagram account and log back in. This refreshes your account data and can fix temporary bugs. Also try checking your follower count from another device or through Instagram web. If it disappears there, the problem is likely related to the app. And if your followers are still not showing, then open the Instagram settings, tap on help, tap on report a problem and send a report to Instagram describing the issue. In the most cases, this problem is caused by a temporary Instagram server issue or app bug. So waiting for some time may also solve it automatically. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates.